Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Wednesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 26th of June 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.76%, settling the day at 39,112.16 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,720.05, rising 1.28%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 39,663.10 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,019.69. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 23,701.50, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII bought 1,175.91 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Vodafone Group planning to invest up to 3,000 crore rupees in Vodafone Idea after Indus stake sales. Tata Electronics, Synopsys partner to ramp up India's first fab unit, accelerate customer product design. ICICI Bank tops $100 billion in market cap, becomes only the sixth Indian company to hit the milestone. India's external debt ratio falls to 13-year low of 18.7% in FY24. Now talking about global aspects, the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index slightly weakened in June. The index fell to 100.4. China welcomes dairy companies from all countries, including the US, to expand their business in the Chinese market. WTI settled at $80.83, down 1%, while Brent settled down 1.2%, at $85.01 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 105.27. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.26%. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, reached new record highs of 78,164.71 and 23,754.15, respectively. This surge was driven by positive trends in Asian markets and substantial buying in blue-chip private bank stocks. Despite opening higher, small and mid-cap stocks faced selling pressure. Key indices Sensex advanced nearly 700 points to close the day at 78,053.52, while Nifty closed at 23,721.30, rose by 0.80%. Although the market witnessed a rally, sectoral performance remained negative. Outlook for the day. In the Nifty index, the Nifty index will face immediate resistance in the 23,850 to 23,900 range, while support is noted around 23,400 to 23,300 levels. The MACD momentum indicator shows strong buy signals on both daily and weekly charts, suggesting positive short-term prospects. Hourly momentum has also turned bullish, rebounding from the zero reference line, indicating favorable conditions ahead. Nifty has recently broken out of an upward-sloping parallel channel. As long as it remains above 23,200 levels, the overall trend remains bullish. Bank Nifty extended its bullish momentum, finishing above the crucial 52,500 level. The index has successfully broken through resistance from the rising trendline. Confirmation of a bearish reversal would occur with a closing below the 51,000 mark. The next resistance lies at 53,000, with support expected below 51,500. Stocks on radar are Amara Raja Energy and Mobility, Craftsman, GRSE, Gulf Oil Lubricants India. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.